Welcome! In this video tutorial, you're going to see how to use the shortcut key for Save As in Excel. Ready to start? If you'd like to use the option Save As in a quick and convenient way, you can go for the handy hotkey F12. But you need to watch out here. If there's a separate function key on your keyboard, you'll need to press this key before you press F12. Right away, you'll see this window where you can browse to select the location for the new Excel file and define its name. For advice on other useful Excel shortcuts, watch more video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. The links to the tutorials are in the description below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and watch other video tutorials by EasyClick Academy. Learn how to use Excel in a quick and easy way. Is this your first time on EasyClick? We'll be more than happy to welcome you in our online community. Hit that subscribe button and join the Easy Clickers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.